Hotel na katabi ng mall? Budget-friendly pero modern. Netflix ready pa, kaya sure na marerelax ka dito.
Hi Nagia Loves, this is Gian and Rina of Nagia Travels.
And nandito tayo ngayon sa Yes Hotel Cabuyao, Laguna.
So are you ready Nagia Loves?
Let's go! Welcome to Yes Hotel Cabuyao. Super convenient kasi hindi lang isa, kundi dalawang malls ang malapit dito. Ang Grand Shop na katabi lang ng hotel at Centro Mall naman na nasa tapat lang. Kaya perfect kung gusto mo ng staycation na malapit sa lahat ng kailangan mo. We stayed in their premier queen room at ang pinaka nagustuhan namin, may bathtub sa room for a relaxing day. Ang bed and room are modern and comfy. Plus, complete pa with towels and toiletries. May smart TV na Netflix ready, stable wifi at may workstation pa kung kailangan mo mag-online work during your stay. May plated breakfast included at kung gutom ka pa, pwede ka ring umorder ng food through room service. Maraming options at reasonable ang price. Meron din silang premier twin room at superior room so you can choose depende sa gusto mong room setup. Kaya kung hanap mo ay budget-friendly, modern at super convenient na staycation spot sa Cabuyao, Yes Hotel is definitely a solid choice. For booking and inquiries, message Yes Hotel Philippines on Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram. Go travel! You deserve it. Follow us for more videos. Bye!